All right, what's up, y'all? I'm going to ask you a question. How can you not see this? Just telling you. How can you not see this trade? Look. Okay, so let's break this one down. This is simple. Students, did we not go over this yesterday in class? Okay. This is a typical 415 strategy, but this one had a little, what I call a Pepsi twist on it, a little Pepsi twist, because what happened was it did an extra pullback. Okay, so let's go to the 15-minute. Okay, we got our 4-hour zones. 15-minute arrow came in. It did begin to fall. Let me get my crosshairs. So from here, you probably would enter right about here. It did do a pullback, but then ultimately, here you are, right? So it was a little crooked one, but that's okay. Okay, it created the high. Here's a high. It created the lower high, right? If you look at it from the 1-hour perspective, you can see the high. Here's the lower high. So whop to the lop. Okay, you could have hit this one twice. Okay, go back to the 15-minute. Look at there. So when it was at the top of the zone, see right there, top of the zone, how many candles do we need? 2 or more touching the top of the zone. We had every bit of information we needed. Touch the resistance zones, our simplicity zones. If you have the sexy analyst combination, because this, by the way, for those who's watching this is our sexy analyst combined with the simplicity system, because the simplicity system gives our arrows and our zones, and the sexy analyst gives us all the other things such as supply and demand zones, support and resistance levels, trend lines, and Fibonacci's, and everything that's built in there. So when we combine these two tools together, they're extremely powerful. And you add on top of that, that I have been telling you guys week after week after week after week after week after week. If you're a reversal trader, wait till midweek. Typically Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. What's today? Thursday. Okay? Thursday. Here's another one I'm in. It just started to fall. I got in a little bit early on this one, but as you can see, same thing. Okay? Same thing. It just pulled back a little bit extra, but now it's starting to drop, so I'm up 4 pips on that one, but this is the one I want to focus on. This one was just an absolute beauty. But what day of the week is this? By the way, so everybody can see it. Here's the date so that you can always go back to this video. And I'm sorry, you can always go back to your own charts, whether you're using blank charts or my system. It doesn't matter. I'm not manipulating the charts so that he must be manipulating the charts. I can't manipulate candles. You can see that the price action is moving as we speak. These are live trades, okay? Live. And today is 8/10/2023. So when you're seeing this, you're seeing it. And you can actually go back on your own charts, even if it's a year from now, and you can go back to this date, 8/10/2023, and you can actually check your own charts to verify these setups for yourself, okay? To see where it is. Now, let's get back to it. So with this one here, this was very, very simple. And as you can see, here it is from the 1-hour time frame. This thing is just an absolute beauty. I'm just going to let it ride. Also for market makers method people, you can clearly see the W pattern they created. Okay, right here, the mini double top. Okay, you can see that too. That's why I built this system. I studied the market makers method for about 3.5 years and got nowhere. And, some of you guys are in the same boat. See, you can see that the M pattern. You can see that double top right there. Okay. So either way it goes, this was a very, very clean, pretty entry. I'm up 40 pips. As you can see, it's teeter-tottering. Okay. This is the U.S. London overlap session, which is typically when reversals happen. So everything about this trade was just a simple setup. I'm just constantly going to keep showing you guys live videos so you guys can see exactly how we spot trades. So that you'll have a better understanding of how we use our tools, okay? So if you are going to join us, by the way, got great news for you. I still left a 50% discount code up for you guys. My birthday was July 19th. It's well past that, but I realize a lot of people around the world, they're actually struggling financially. They really are. There's a lot of people struggling financially. So at this point, I was like, what the heck, just leave it for a little bit. And, so that's what I did. So if you still want the simplicity system, you can still get it for half off. Now, the Sexy Analyst is only $29 a month For all the additional tools, go to our, when you're on our website, superezforex.com, click on the sexy analyst and you'll see, because this is, why do we even call it that? Y'all be like, dang, bro, why you call it a sexy analyst? Well, because these charts are sexy. Boy, these some sexy looking charts. Woo! Boy, I'll tell you, this is just, come on. You know this is sexy looking. Okay, this is some pretty stuff. Just gorgeous. Absolute gorgeousness. Okay? Gorgeous. No matter what you say. Just gorgeous. See, you can really see that move right there. See, you could have caught this one off the 30 when it was bouncing off the channels and netted you about 88 pips. Why? Because we're looking at the 4-hour time frame. 2 candles or more. If you're going to join me, let me say this real quick and then we'll be done. Okay? Let me say this to you. I beg you, if you are going to join us, go through the tutorials and bring your behind to class. I've been teaching classes for years at no additional cost. When you purchase these trading systems, I don't charge for the classes. I've been doing classes for free every week for years. I only take off if it's my birthday or vacation or something important. Otherwise, I'm always in class. As a matter of fact, my birthday was this in July last month. I even came to class and taught on my birthday. So there's no reason for you not to be able to understand and learn these markets. Okay? As I told my students this past week, I said what happens is, how I'm trying to do it is, you buy a textbook when you go to college. You have to buy the classroom textbook so everybody's on the same page. Okay, follow me on this. So it's the same thing. Buy the trading systems, but the class is free when you buy the Simplicity system. I'm not charging for the classes. I should, I could, but I don't. Okay, it's just that you have to have the trading systems that we use so that when I'm teaching class, everybody has the same trading systems. In fact, sometimes I even call out a live trade, like last week. Okay, we had went over a brand new strategy using the same exact trading tools because it's so unique that you can use several strategies using the exact same trading tools. So last week I called out a buy trade on NZD CAD. I told everybody, hey, keep your eye on this one. And sure enough, it worked out exactly. So the only way everybody in the group would have known is if everybody in the group had the same trading tool. Get what I'm saying? So you can't have 10 people with one textbook, 30 people over here with a different textbook, okay? When you go to a college class, everybody is studying from the same textbook. So our trading systems is what you're purchasing so that when you come to class with for simplicity, you're getting the same textbook that everybody in the group has. So when I say, okay, here's what we're looking at, everybody's on the same page. Does that make sense? Okay, so that's all you're doing. You're purchasing the system, the Simplicity system, at a 50% discount. I ain't never kept it this long. Okay, never. But again, I know that a lot of people are struggling, so that's the reason why I said, you know, what the heck. Okay, so it's just a one-time fee. It's like $150 plus tax, something like that. Okay, get it. It's yours for life, and the classes are free for life. Okay. I don't know any other company who's doing better than that. But the point is that I'm constantly showing you guys how we use our tools. So make sure if you do join, go through the tutorials so that when I'm calling out strategies, you are not looking like a deer in the headlights like, what is he talking about? Because those things, the basic things that we're going over has already been covered in the tutorial steps. Okay, so when you come to class, you already are caught up. You kind of understand already. It's like, oh, okay, bro, I see exactly what you're seeing. And that's the whole point. I want you to learn to see what I'm seeing. Because if you're not willing to study, then you shouldn't be in this business. Are you feeling me? Okay. So anyway, I'm going to let y'all go. I'll shoot another hot video and let y'all know. But this one I just had to show you because, again, it was just so pretty. It was just so pretty. It's just no way you could not have seen it. Okay? All right, you guys. I will talk to you in the next video.